It's just sneakers. We got another review, another pair of Forum 84 lows, and this time we got the Orbit Grays. Now the Forum 84s had a pretty welcome reception so far, at least by me. I got almost, all the good pairs I got. I'm really rocking with them. I like the aesthetic. It's real simple, real clean. And these Orbit Grays, different. I originally wanted the highs, but those were sold out by the time I became aware of them on the Adidas site. They were sold out. The lows were still available, so I went ahead and ordered the lows. Now these released March 1st. They were available just on the Adidas site for just mad long. I don't know, they probably still available now. Nah, I don't think they are now. But they were sitting there, not too much hype. There's hype on the other colorways. This colorway, not so much hype, but it's a very clean colorway nonetheless. Alright, so now if we want to start with a quick look at the box, you see it's the same standard blue box like every other Adidas, bit different. These Forum got these boxes right here. It's like the basketball box. It got a bunch of icons, dude driving in and all that. It's cool. The pull-out box and all that. Good move by Adidas. Comes with the tag. If you wanna get your Forum knowledge on, you could do that. Some reading materials. Grab the other shoe. Now we can get into some of the details on this shoe. Alright. Start with the toe box. Soft, smooth. I'm gonna say the OG colorways, high and low, softer. Toe box is softer on those, but this is still pretty soft. Right here you have the leather of a lesser quality, real synthetic like. It runs all around the front. Same leather right here. Same type of leather. This leather right here, it's a different kind of leather from the toe box and these side panels right here, but it's still, this is a pretty good quality. 3 stripes, that hairy suede. Across all pairs they did the suede right, I say so far. Across all pairs the suede is right on the 3 stripes. They got that right. Got that webbing. Get a good look at that. The suede on this one. This suede, nice quality. Not mad at the suede. Take a look at the tongue, the mesh tongue. Take the strap out for a second, get a good look. And the color of this tongue, when I first seen the pictures online, I thought it was like a pinkish, but it's not really pinkish. This is like I don't know what color is this. It's definitely not white. It's not off-white. This is like it's not peach. But at any rate, the color isn't gonna throw off anything. Like you could just whatever you was gonna wear with an all-white shoe, you can wear with this pretty much. It isn't throwing off anything. The laces, these are pretty much regular white laces. They don't come with cream laces like the OG highs and lows. Regular white laces. I think they will go harder with they definitely go harder with the cream laces. But outsole, that's the off-white cream outsole. That looks fresh, gives it that vintage look off top. Light gray outsole. Overall makes for a real clean look. You could wear them to church, wear them on a court, wear them on a date. Do what you do. The sizing on the Orbit Grays compared to the OGs is pretty much the same, but I say that the Orbit Grays are a tad bit bigger. They fit a tad bit bigger. I just say that because I experienced a little bit more slippage than with the OGs, but you might experience something different, but that's just my experience with them. Now, my thoughts on these are shit. I was impressed, especially for $100, 100 clean. Like, you really couldn't go wrong. I didn't have super duper high expectations either. It's an all white shoe, so it pretty much aligned with what I was looking for. It's pretty much gonna fill out what I needed to fill out. So I'll give it the thumbs up. So yeah, that's the Adidas Forum 84 Low Orbit Grays. Be sure to subscribe, like. Let me know your thoughts. Do you got any pairs of these? Did you miss out? How do you think they compare to like something like a New Balance P550 or something like that? Like, that's the comparisons I see these getting a lot to. Just because they're new retro runners, 80s basketball, low top, similar profiles. But let me know what you think. It's just sneakers.